In this video, I will show you the most adorable camera you have ever seen, which is the Insta360 Go Ultra Hello Kitty Edition. This tiny powerhouse takes the world's smallest action camera and gives it a stunning makeover that fans of Sanrio will absolutely love. The first thing you notice is the iconic red bow and the cute face printed right on the lens unit itself. Even the charging pod has been customized with vibrant colors and cute patterns that make it look more like a designer accessory than a piece of tech gear. But do not let its small size fool you, because it still packs the same incredible features as the standard model. You get horizon leveling that keeps your footage perfectly flat no matter how much you move, and the flow state stabilization is incredibly smooth. I took this camera out for a vlog at a cafe, and the magnetic mounting system made it so easy to get first-person shots without holding a bulky tripod. It is light enough to clip onto a headband, or even just stick to your shirt with the magnet pendant. The image quality stays sharp at 4K resolution, which is impressive for something no bigger than your thumb. Whether you are a collector or just want a camera that stands out, this special edition is definitely a conversation starter.